Hi guys, it's me, Catherine. I'm just gonna try to make this video as short as possible. I'm here because I want to show you how to sync your calendar events with my calendar so I can keep track of you throughout the year, and it'll be simple for me and you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our school email account, and we're gonna go to the top where it says calendar and click on that. From there, you're going to go to the left side and go to where you will probably see your name. Most likely it might say your name, it might say something else, but whatever it is, what we're going to do is we're going to click the drop down menu and go to calendar settings. And that's where we're going to change the name of the calendar. So instead of saying Catherine New or whatever it might say, we're going to switch it to your name and put schoolwork. Schoolwork. And then we're going to click save. Now we're going to go back to the same area, click the drop down menu again, and click share this calendar. And that's where you're going to put in my email address. And that's knew@csu.fullerton.edu. I can't share it with myself, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put a different email address just to show you how this is going to work. Then you're going to go to the right side, go to this drop-down menu, and click Make Changes and Manage Sharing. That is for my personal use, so I can do that. Anyways, then you're going to click Save, and OK. Okay, so now you're done. It's basically all I really needed you to do, but I also wanted to show you how to add any event to your calendar. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it on a day, and you are going to type in your class name. So let's just say it's my class is Kanice 348, and you're going to put in exam or quiz or test or whatever you want to add, and click create event. Obviously you won't know when your tests or quizzes are until your syllabus is, but when that time comes, best just do it on here and log it all in on the calendar. Now from here, if a test changes or gets deleted, you can change it from day to day, move it anywhere you want, you can delete it, whatever you have to do. So that's pretty much it. I do have to say though, when you do add an event, make sure that it is under the calendar that is labeled schoolwork. Otherwise I won't be able to see it. If it's labeled under one other calendar that you may have in this area down here, I won't be able to see it. So make sure it is under your schoolwork calendar. And that's pretty much it for adding the events and making it synchronized. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please ask me. Now, that's the computer portion, but I also have a portion for your iPhone. If you're an iPhone user and you have your email synchronized to your phone as well as your calendar, we can also add events through our calendar. And so if you are in class and your teacher changes your exam to another day, you can simply do it just straight from your phone, and it will get shared to your calendar on your online calendar, and then I will also see it. So basically just by changing it from your phone, it'll change 2 other calendars for my good and for your good. So let's just say I wanted to add an event for the 28th. All you would do is you'd simply click the day and click the add or the plus sign at the top right. From there, you would just do the same thing you would do on the other calendar, type in the class name and the exam or test or whatever you need to do, and then you're going to scroll down to calendar. This is again another very important thing you'd have to do. You'd need to select the calendar, the appropriate calendar to sync it to. So if you click this button, it'll take you to your calendars. I have a bunch of calendars here, as you can see, and right now it's checked to your default, which is your home. What you want to do is you want to check it to this one, your schoolwork, because it has to do with your school. And from there, if everything looks set, if you wanted an alarm, I guess you possibly could if you wanted to do all that, but you don't need to. And then you're done. And so from there, just by doing that and clicking done, you have saved it not only to your iPhone calendar, but also to this calendar, which in turn saves it to my calendar. So we will all be up to date on what you're doing because we are so fascinated in that. And hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, just let me know. The main thing I want you guys to do mostly is just to get this synchronized to mine, and that's about it. Otherwise, I can help you out individually if you need any help, and then we will be all on the same page. Alright, so hopefully I didn't take too long, and hopefully you understand that. Alright, thanks for listening. Have a good one.